Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark from InShot app. Before starting, subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So let's start. Open InShot app and import video into it. After importing, I am going to select video ratio according to TikTok. Now you can see there is an InShot watermark. If I want to remove this watermark, I am gonna click on cross button of watermark. It is asking us three options. I am going to select this third option, which is remove this once. Click on this button. Now you can see the watermark has been removed from video. Click download button to save this video. Now let's check results in gallery. See, the watermark has been removed from video. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, click subscribe button for latest updates.